Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can add filters on Zoom. So to begin with, once at the Zoom meeting, at this bottom toolbar, go for the More section, then Background and Effects. In here, open up the Video Filters page, and in here simply choose the filter that you would like to go with from the list of available filters. Like, let's say I'll go with this one, why not? And that will be the filter that is applied onto my video once I will start sharing it. So let me demonstrate it to you. So at the Zoom call, I'll enable video, and as you can see, the filter has been successfully applied. If you want to remove the filter, on the other hand, just go into the same section, so More, Background and Effects, and simply at the Video Filters page, set it to none. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.